Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to outline text in GIMP. So first we need to go to text tool, so I click on this one icon, or I click T on my keyboard. After that I click somewhere on the project, and then I change font. For example, I will type here Calibri bold. Then I increase the size of selected text. I type here 500 and I press enter. Now I click escape and I type here text that I want to use. For example, I type here simple and I will change position of this text somewhere here. Okay, now I click Ctrl A and I click right mouse button on the text layer, and then I click alpha to selection. Now I go to select tab and I click here grow. On grow selection by, I recommend you to type 15th. Now I select here book at fill tool. Then I need to click on the active foreground color and I will change it to black. Now I click OK button and I need to create here a new layer. So I click right mouse button here, I go to new layer, I type here layer name, for example color of outline, and I click here OK button. Then I click somewhere inside the layer and I will change position of this layer somewhere lower, and how you see outline has been successfully added to the text in GIMP. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.